guys, welcome back to KidZilla, and today I'm going to show you how to make slime. And as you can see, I've cut my hair, so don't mind it. Alright, and so today we're going to show you how to make slime. And what slime are we talking about? We're going to talk about this slime. It's glittering. It is super cool. So we're going to learn how to make this in a short while. Now the things you'll need will be a bowl full of water, and I like to keep some tissue paper underneath so I don't get my workspace messy. And I also need something to stir with. Chopsticks work fine, but if you have a spoon, use a spoon. If you have a strainer scoop, use a strainer scoop. So use whatever you have to mix. And of course, this is a must-have. This is liquid glue. It works well with liquid glue, but you can use white glue as well. But I prefer the liquid one as it turns out much better. And another thing you need is liquid detergent. If you don't have, you can make with powdered one. And then you also need food dye, as well as some glitter. And you cannot go wrong with glitter, and that's why we've got glitter. And now I'm going to show you how to make slime. So the first thing you want to do is you want to contaminate your water by adding some detergent. So what I'm going to do, I've actually poked a hole on top, but I'm not sure whether you can see it. But simply I'm just going to squirt it in. You want to add quite a lot of it. And once you think it's enough, you're just going to stir that. And don't be afraid to add more if you think it's too little. So I make some strange noises though. So it'll be something like this. Just like regular water, but with some soap bubbles. And now you want to set your mixing things aside. And now you want to grab your liquid glue. And you can actually use just clear glue, but I prefer using liquid glue, alright? Then I'm going to pop this open. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to squirt in the glue. You kind of want it to be at the same spot. Try as much as possible for it to be on the same spot. And you're just going to mix the water, not mix that glue. And then you should wait for a while, and you basically have slime. But I'm going to take the initiative, and I'm going to add more detergent. Sorry, that's just level 4, guys. Level 4. Alright, and then you'll see you guys have this kind of clear thing. And now you want to get your container and just like get it all in there. Note that if you want, you can strain this, but I wouldn't recommend that a lot. But I'm just going to work with what I have right now. I thought there was more. Yes, there is much more, but... Or you can just go and get your hands in and just... And that is what Griffin is going to help us do. And guys, we have a very special guest today. And he is my feather friend. And his name is... Pecky. Pecky, say hello to the camera. Yes, Pecky loves attention, so I'm going to set him aside, guys. And he's just chewing on some paper. And once you've got all this slime, you can go in and make more. So which is what I'm going to do. And I'm going to take my liquid glue again, and I'm just going to add it in. So it comes out as one piece. And guys, please note that you need to wait for it to set for a while. And guys, warning, when you just put it into the container, it's gonna be a little bit sticky. Quite sticky, guys. So what I did is I mixed it with some other slime, that just blue slime that I made just now, and I showed you. And it'll start to become starchy. And oh, you can't see him, but Pecky's here. Pecky, you just walk past the camera. So guys, Pecky, this slime is turning out great. And if you want it to be a little bit darker, you can add in a little bit more food coloring, which is what we're gonna do later. So right now what I'm going to do is this like you want to take out your slime once again. And guys, remember that this works well with clear glue. Actually, guys, it's much better to use a disposable spoon than a chopstick. So you just like check whether there's any extra slime, and apparently there is not. And that's basically everything you want to do. And then next we're gonna add in some food coloring. You really can't see the change because we have already dyed this one. So what Griffin is gonna do, he's gonna add some food coloring with this chopstick. And guys, please note that you might get your hands stained by doing this, so get an adult to help you if you need. And this is our final product. And now he's going to be adding a little bit of food coloring. Then now you just want to mix it in. Mix that all together. Oh, that looks super cool. So guys, if you think it's not firm, you might want to just stir it for a while. And wait for it to cool down for a while, then start to play with it and knead it in. So what I'm gonna get Griffin to do now is I'm gonna get him to add some glitter, and cause glitter makes everything better. So let's add some glitter. Okay, so as you can see, the glitter is added, and now with that I'm gonna stir that in. Alright, so our slime is completed. You can add some essential oil to this to give it some scent, but we're gonna keep it cool, and I'm just going to leave it like this. And now you just want to get the last bit of slime off your mixer. And guys, this wraps up today's episode of KidZilla Cousins. And before I stop the video, I'm going to have a few shout outs to do as promised in our Instagram. So the first shout out goes to Steven Chung, and the second shout out goes to Mindy Chung. So they have liked our videos and Steven actually commented. So great job, guys. And last but not least, please subscribe to us. Leave a comment down below to tell us what you want us to do next. And the very important thing, be part of our notification squad. So if you have on our post notification, you can comment down below as #KSquad, and we will be pinning your comments and we'll be liking them as well. So bye, toodles guys.